Hi dear, so let's make a Pangas fish curry today. Let's start with the frying onion, and after fry for some time, let's add chopped ginger and garlic and fry together. And after cook, let's add chopped tomato. Meanwhile, add salt to taste, half spoon of tamarind, yellow powder, and fry together. After that is cooked. Now let's add fish on the top. After placing, cover for 2 minutes, and after that flip the another side and cover it and cook for some times. And now I'm adding water. After that, let's add the chili powder. After that, let's cover and cook for 10 minutes. After that, let it cook until the water dry. I recommend you to not stir the fish because it is very soft, so if you stir it will be broken the pieces. Now water is dry and almost done, so I'm topping the coriander into the fish. So let's start plating now. It's looking very yummy and delicious. Fish and fresh coriander combination is really good. If you cook fish, you must add fresh coriander. So coriander will give a very good aroma and taste in fish curry. And this fish curry is very simple and easy and very delicious. You must try this recipe. So I'm having with the fresh chopped salad, onion, cabbage, tomato, coriander, and add a pinch of salt, and its combination was amazing. If you want more updates like this, subscribe, and we'll see you in next video. Bye.